Body of missing Kingston woman found in a shallow grave. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest news report. We'll be right back after the break with the details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The body of a Kingston woman who was reported missing has been found in a shallow grave in her yard. The police report that family members discovered the remains of Millicent Robinson, who lived in Benbow Street in Craigtown sometime after midday yesterday. She was missing since Sunday, March 28. At the time of her disappearance, she was wearing a pink tights with a green striped blouse. The police are still carrying out the investigation in order to ascertain what is behind the motive behind the death of this female. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest report to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.